Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Memmi Papyrus. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. In this week's tip, I'm going to show you how to cut out a mask to create really nice backgrounds for your projects. Let's get started. Last week we talked about masking. Well, this is reverse masking. So what I'm going to show you is how to create frames that allow you to just use a small part of your cardstock to add the color and create some backgrounds. So this one is a rectangular frame. What I do, I'm using the copy paper here because it's thin and because the acetate that I usually use won't show very well in the camera. So what I did is I lined it up with the 1-inch mark on my Stampin' Trimmer, and I lined up my cutting blade, and then I just cut the inside to 1 inch from the bottom. And I did the same thing on the 4 sides, just as long as you line it up to 1 inch. And you can see with the markings on your stamping trimmer exactly where you're cutting. So that helps. So you can use copy paper, but if you do, you'll have to redo it every time. I like to use acetate, the window sheets, because I can just wipe them off and reuse them again and again. And that is a bit of the frame that I used for the corner bouquet card that you may have seen on my blog last week. So then you remove the inside and you have a pattern. Let me show you how it's used. You don't need the trimmer anymore. And another tip is that you can use any of your punches and do the same thing. So in this week, Valentine's Day, I cut out a heart one. So let's use the blender brush and add some color to this heart. You'll see. So I started off on the acetate. Hold it down. You can also hold it down with some washi tape. That'll do the job. Don't want to go too much ink. Get it blotchy. Because the window sheet is so thin, it allows you to have a nice crisp line on your design. So this is the result. Isn't that pretty? So I did it with the heart, and I also did one with the oval punch here. So the oval, let's keep the pink out. So you can go as light or dark as you want. Just make sure that it doesn't move while you're sponging or blending. And you'll have a nice background shape on which you can stamp an image. So this one's a little blotchy, but you get the idea. So that is the template for the oval, the template for the heart, the template you can make your own size with the stamping trimmer and get fabulous results. You can do the circle punch, you can do shapes like butterflies, whichever, your imagination has no limits. So that was my tip this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again soon.